Okay, so Teresa and Ann used to do a lot of mean things they think, and they think that they're responsible for how I turned out because I'm the youngest. Okay? But it goes on, and I didn't think that I necessarily turned out that bad, but apparently they have a different opinion. So, the things that they did, but the story that irritated me the most when we were little, one,
remember.
now, probably, you know, they say you forget those things that you didn't want to remember. But it was one night, and we went to church regularly every Sunday. That was just our family thing. So the girls woke me up one Sunday morning and said, "Come on, Patty, we got to go to church, So frantically go get dressed, ready to go. And the way our house was in New York at the time, had to come around, and you get to the top of the stairs to head downstairs, and our brother's room was right at that point. Well, the beds were still made. The boys never made their beds in the morning. So it started to dawn on me that maybe something just didn't feel right. And, of course, it was Saturday night.
After Saturday Night Live.
Who knows what time, I don't know, but I was ticked that they made me get all ready to go to church, and it was Saturday night, and I was supposed to still be sleeping. So that's...
And she's
Is that, well, I knew there was something, but it was a long time ago. So, happy birthday, Steve. Love you too.